Hey there, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am so excited to introduce to you the most amazing and convenient product that I have come across recently. It's the figurine storage box, a must-have for anyone who loves to keep their figurines organized and neatly stored. This incredible storage box features a unique step-by-step design and magnetic adsorption function, making it super easy to open and conveniently access your beloved figurines. No more struggling to reach for your figurines in the back of a messy drawer. With this storage box, everything will be neatly displayed and easily accessible. Not only does it provide easy access, but it also ensures the safety of your valuable figurines with its stable base design, preventing any tipping over. You can rest assured that your figurines will be stored securely and look as good as new for years to come. What I love most about this storage box is that it is so versatile and suitable for various living spaces such as homes, offices, and more. It's like having your own mini art gallery wherever you go. Plus, it's super easy to assemble and disassemble, allowing for bidirectional storage. So, if you're a figurine enthusiast like me, you absolutely need to get your hands on this figurine storage box. Not only will it keep your figurines organized and neatly displayed, but it will also add a touch of elegance to any space. Check out the link in the description to get your very own figurine storage box and take the first step towards a more organized and visually pleasing environment. Trust me, once you start using this amazing storage box, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.